loves, welcome back to my channel. How you been doing? Usually with prolonged sun exposure, our skin, especially brown skin, turns to dull down in complexion and also develop patchy skin tone, like uneven skin tone, dark spots and hyperpigmentation, which is not fun. But that does not stop us from going outdoors and having a good time in the sun, and nothing should stop us from going out in the sun, right? So I am going to be showing you in this video a very easy and non-time consuming way to get back that brightness and that glow. So in this video I have partnered up with Himalaya, one of my favorite skincare brands, to come up with an easy daily skincare routine for you, which can tackle skin tanning and also dullness during these sunny months. I'll also be sharing a very easy DIY face mask in this video. So let's get started. The Himalaya Tan range comes with 3 products: a face wash, a face scrub, and also a peel-off face mask. Your skincare routine starts with a face wash, and a good face wash plays such a key role in maintaining beautiful skin. What I love about this face wash is that it contains the goodness of orange peel and honey in it. Orange peel has more vitamin C than orange itself, and you know, if you watch my videos, that vitamin C is so powerful for maintaining beautiful skin. It has anti-aging properties and it also has skin brightening properties. Orange peel also contains very large amount of citric acid, which fights bacteria, so it keeps away pimples, which also keeps your pores clean, which prevents unnecessary blackheads and whiteheads. So I love starting my skincare routine with the Himalayas. I like to call it the orange face wash, but the name is the tan removal face wash, so let's go with that. And the second ingredient in this face wash is honey, and you know that honey is amazing for your skin. Honey also protects your skin and also builds the strength of your skin. So this face wash alone has a lot of powerful properties, and also it's gentle on your skin, so even oily skin and dry skin can use this face wash without irritating your skin. And I love the smell of it. It's got a very refreshing orangey, zesty smell, and I love the gel consistency of this. We have the tan removal orange face scrub, and this puppy contains orange peel once again. It contains papaya and it contains oatmeal. Orange peel, like I told you, is gonna tone your skin and give you an even skin tone. Papaya has enzymes which exfoliates your skin and also brightens your skin. And finally, this has oatmeal in it, which soothes, nourishes and moisturizes your skin. And this is a very gentle face scrub. It's got a little bit of those grit as well, which is gentle. It's not one of those like rough gritty ones. All in all, this does such a fabulous job to gently exfoliate your skin. This you can use it twice a week as well. Next we have the tan removal orange peel off mask, and this peel off mask has orange and honey in it. Once again, orange is so powerful. It's packed with vitamin C and citric acid. And what I also like about a peel off mask is that it lifts away all the dry, dead skin cells, revealing your glowing, beautiful, youthful, radiant skin underneath. And it also takes away a little bit of your whiteheads and blackheads. This peel off mask also helps in retexturizing your skin, so your skin just looks a lot more smoother and even toned. It helps with your hyperpigmentation and patchiness and uneven skin tone and tan. After I remove this peel off mask, right, my skin has like this natural glow left on my face, which I really love that, guys. It's like I've got a little bit of like a highlighter action going on. I love it. You can use this step 2 times a week and it works amazingly. Now let's get into my super easy DIY face mask to brighten your skin and to give you a very healthy natural glow. And this face mask is also going to nourish your skin. First of all, what you need is an orange. Take off the orange peel, put it into a bowl and pour hot boiling water in it. Now leave this as it is overnight, and the next day morning remove the orange peel, and there you have a very easy natural DIY orange peel toner. You can pour this into a container and save it in your refrigerator. You can use it up to 2 weeks time. The second ingredient you'll need is coconut water. So I pour a little bit of coconut water into a bowl, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of our DIY orange toner. And if you want to pump up that vitamin C, squeeze on a little bit of orange juice as well. Now soak some cotton rounds in this solution, peel apart the cotton rounds, place it on your face, leave this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, remove it, pat in that essence into your skin, and then move on to your serum and your moisturizer, and your skin is gonna glow. Try it and let me know. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. All the videos right down below, and I shall see you later.